credit cards are just a pre-approved line of credit where obviously you can make purchases, pay bills, spend that money, and then interest is accrued as you pay off that balance. Credit cards calculate interest based off this specific formula where they calculate your average daily balance, B, multiplied by your annual interest rate, dividing by multiplied by the billing cycle of however many days. In this example, 30, but keep in mind because of February and leap year, this could be anywhere from 28 to 31 days if we're looking at full months. And then that value divided by 365. So using the information given in this problem, we can calculate the interest accrued in a particular month. If our average daily balance was $767.82, if we have an interest rate of 0.1099 and a 30-day billing cycle. Since this is interest owed, we always want to round up, even though we would naturally in this case, to find that our interest would be $6.94. Another thing to keep in mind with credit cards is that they will always give you a minimum amount due, and that's calculated based off different formulas. But if we consider this case where we had a balance of $767.82, that minimum monthly payment might be, say, $25. If you continue paying $25 a month, it would take 36 months to pay off that balance, and you would have ended up paying a total of $906. If you bumped that monthly payment up even a little bit higher to $50, now that balance would be paid off in 17 months, which is 19 months shorter, and you would have only paid $831, so saving yourself $75. If you could bump that payment up even higher to $100, then you would get that balance paid off in 8 months, and you would have spent only $800. So saving $106 altogether. Now the calculations for that I pulled from, there are any number of tools online where you can calculate those values based off different payments you're making. So I'm not showing you a particular formula for how we came up with those, more just the idea that when a credit card company gives you a minimum balance due, it's in your best interest to try to exceed that if your budget allows it. The higher the amount that you can pay off each month, the faster obviously you'll bring that balance down, and the less you'll have to pay in interest overall.